So you have an amazing social networking application concept and you want to build it. Or currently you are working as a junior Android developer and want to step up in your post. Or simply you want to land on your dream job by making your resume strong. Then this course is especially designed for you. Here we are going to cover a wide range of aspects for developing social networking application. In this course you will learn how to build your own API for your app, consume those APIs and core features of social networking application. We're going to build a social networking application called Friendster, and by the end of this course you will have your own social networking app and all that concept needed to build your next startup social app. And I assure you that this course will be your stepping stone for your next dream social networking application. And if you are not satisfied, then you can easily take your money back within 30 days. So there is no risk at all. So just take your first step towards your idea or dream that you have always imagined for a long time. Because I want to keep this message short, this is all I have to say personally. And if you want to know what we are building exactly in this course, then please watch preview videos. I'm super excited to see what you are going to make with the knowledge from this course. And thank you for your time. See you in the course.